what are your top cancer killing foods that you should have in your diet on a regular basis?
Yeah, absolutely. So the number one anti-cancer foods are in the vegetable kingdom, and there's two categories. So the first is the allium family, and that's garlic, onions, and leeks. And then the second group, those are basically the top three. And then the second group, rounding out the top 10, is the cruciferous family. So that's broccoli, cauliflower, kale, cabbage, bok choy, Brussels sprouts. But all vegetables are amazing. Carrots, beets, spinach, celery, like all vegetables are wonderful. But those are the top ones. And that's what I ate the most of every single day. In fact, on the cover of my cookbook, Beat Cancer Kitchen, there's a picture of the giant salad. And when you see that picture, you'll see this cornucopia of vegetables, anti-cancer vegetables on there. And that was my standard anti-cancer meal every single day for lunch and dinner. So, yeah. And then the berries. So in the fruit kingdom, berries are the most potent anti-cancer foods, fruits. So blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, cherries, berries are incredible. And they're easy to eat, right? They're delicious. You can put berries in oatmeal. You can put them in smoothies. You can eat them, by the handful. So, eating an optimal anti-cancer diet is not difficult. It is very, very easy. And most people find once they just sort of get their little favorite recipes and routines figured out, it's very easy, very sustainable. So that's what Be Cancer Kitchen is really written to do, is help people change their eating habits and discover new foods and new flavor combinations and things that are easy to make and super healthy.
That sounds good. Chris Wark, thank you very, very much for coming to the Vital Blend. I appreciate it.
Thanks, Anthony. It's been fun.
It has been.